Okay, let's get into setting up the autoresponder. Okay, now I'm going to be showing you how to do this with GetResponse. You don't have to use GetResponse like I mentioned before. But if you don't use GetResponse, then it might be a little different setting things up. And if you're already using an email autoresponder, you probably already know how to do that. Okay, so you can figure this stuff out. The general concept is all the same though. I think you can use GetResponse, Aweber, MailChimp. I'm not sure what other ones are on there, but you can find them on Shopify app marketplace. But for this section, I'm going to be showing how to do it with GetResponse. So we're going to have two lists. We're going to have our customer list, which is also the buyer's list. This is for every person who buys from us. And then we're going to have the giveaway list. So those are the two lists we are going to have. So when you sign up for GetResponse, the first thing you'll see is your dashboard, and you get a free 30-day trial when you first sign up. And what you want to do is integrate this with Shopify. So to do that, you come over here to My Account and you go to Integrations and you find Shopify and you just click on it, and you need to put your Shopify URL in there. So mine, let me grab it, and paste it in here, is the Bing Ecom Store that I've been messing with this whole tutorial series. And click Connect Shopify, and you're going to say Install App. Now it says import your custom fields. So these fields are what they're telling you, what would you like to bring in from Shopify when a person buys. Automatically they're going to get their first and last name and their email. I think it's also good, why don't you just grab the street address, the city, the postal code, and I don't think you need anything else. If you want the phone number, you can. A lot of people put their phone numbers in, a lot don't. It's good data to have, but you're not going to need it for what I'm showing you to do. So then when you're done, click this little arrow right here and then hit Next Step. When this pops up, you'll just need to configure these fields. So these are already done for you. These are the Shopify fields. So just click on each box, and this is home phone, so click home phone. Postal code, so then you want to find the postal code. I don't know why I can't say that word. City is the city, so it's all pretty self-explanatory. So let's see, street, right? Street, yep. So then hit Next Step. And then you'll be told to select a campaign. Okay, now if you haven't created a campaign, when you first sign up, it tells you to create a username, I think is what it is. Or maybe it makes you select a campaign. I can't remember at this very second since I did this about 20 minutes ago now. But it'll have that campaign in there. If you want to choose a different one, then before you sign up for Shopify, then go ahead and create a new campaign and GetResponse. So the import cycle, you can either do it weekly, daily, or every 3 days. Do it every single day, okay? Now for the advanced options, just keep the default selected, okay? So you really don't even need to click on advanced options here, but if you do and you're wondering what to do, you just keep default selected. Then hit Save Settings and Import. And then you are done, okay? So that's how you do this really quick. Now, like I mentioned, you can create a different list name. So if you want to keep track of things a little better, then I'll show you how to do that really quick. So you're just going to go back to your dashboard. Now you would do this before you integrated Shopify, okay? So you'll do this step first. And you'll come over here to the upper right corner where it says your current campaign, and you'll select this drop down and click Create Campaign. And then you can name this your store name, so Ecom for me, Ecom Bing Takeover Buyers or Customers Okay, so then you know that's your buyers list, and you can hit create campaign. And it will not let me put a space in there. So ecom, oh, now I can't type correctly. There we go. So now that's already created. So now you can go back over to integrations, and let's see if we can change the list here. So the campaign, let's edit settings, hit next step on that because we already did that. Next step. And this is where we can change the campaign. Okay, so you either do this before, or if not, you can do it after. So once that is created, you come over here and go back to integrations. And this is for if you're doing this after the fact. If you do it before, then you won't have to do this. But click on Shopify and you can do disable. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Add new campaign. So we want to disable this one though. So disconnect, hit OK. Click on Shopify and add new campaign. And again, if you want these, you just add them in. Next, and it's going to have you select them all over again. Okay, so this street is the secondary street, which is usually the apartment number. So where is that? I don't think it has that option for us. So let's ignore that. And actually, let's go back and remove that and hit next. So now mailing is down here. City is right here. Home phone, so next. And then select the campaign for your customers. Okay, make sure you select one day again, hit save settings and import. So same process, but this is if you want to change your campaign name. So that's how you do that. It's all set up after that. If you go into your store and you click on apps, you'll notice that it installed a GetResponse app. Okay, now that's a free trial and then it's $5 a month. If you weren't sure on how much it is, you can visit the App Store and you can simply search for GetResponse for Shopify and it will tell you it's $5 a month with a free trial of 7 days. Okay, so that's how you set up the email section. It's really easy. There's just one more campaign though that we need to set up outside of Shopify, and that is for the people that leave your site without buying anything. Okay, so to do that, it's the same process. Let's go back to the dashboard and let's do a new campaign. Let's name this campaign a giveaway. Okay, hit create and we are done. Welcome to video number 5, monetizing the non-buyers. So now we have our product picked out, our Shopify store picked up, we have the campaign set up to drive traffic, but now we need to do something about all the people that visit the site through the paid advertising but decide not to make a purchase. So the goal here is to capture as many of those people as possible and add them onto a list. So the people that get on to this list in particular are going to be the people who have never bought anything. So they're not your buyers, okay? They're your freebie seekers, or they're just the people who haven't decided to make a buying decision with you yet, okay? So the way we're going to do that is by using an exit pop-up on our Shopify store, okay? So they come to your product page, they look around for whatever reason, they decide not to buy. They go to leave the page and they see a pop-up. So let me show you an example. So now let's say I'm a customer or a potential customer and I'm on this page right here for the free sunglasses, and I decide, you know what, I'm not going to buy today, and I go to leave, and now you'll see this pop-up show up. Okay, I already set it up so we can discuss it. So this type of pop-up in particular is okay to use in your pay-per-click campaigns because it's called an exit intent pop-up, but it does not make the user or it does not force the user to stay on the page. Okay, because I'm sure you guys have seen the pop-ups that you go to leave, you hit the back button and it pops up. It doesn't actually let you leave. You have to click OK or cancel or hit the X up here, and you have to make sure you read it because they're trying to trick you to hitting the wrong button. Those types of pop-ups, nobody likes them, and it will get your account shut down. So you never use those. What we use are soft pop-ups, okay? And it's an exit intent, so anytime the user moves the mouse up towards the top of the screen, it'll trigger this pop-up. So if I close this and refresh the page, and I try to leave, it'll pop up again. But it doesn't stop me from leaving. I can just hit the back button, and I can still leave, okay? So those are the type of pop-ups we use. Now, what this does is it tries to get the user or the visitor to opt in to a list. Okay, we want them to opt into our free giveaway list. All right, so they give their first name, last name, email, and then they enter the giveaway, or they say no thanks, or they hit the X up here and they can leave. And they don't have to hit the X, they can just leave if they want to anyways, so we're not making our visitors mad or anything like that. Now, once they're on this giveaway list, we will be setting up a 5-day giveaway campaign. Okay, so every day for 5 days, you'll give away a free product, and it's going to be one of the free plus shipping products that you find. And the goal here is to have at least 5 different free plus shipping products. So every day, the list sees a new product being handed out. Now, the trick is when you announce a winner, so you just pick a winner out of the subscribers from the list. So once they subscribe, this is the GetResponse autoresponder here, and so once they subscribe, let me go to the giveaway list. I don't have anybody on it, of course, yet, but you'll simply go in here and you'll look at your subscribers by clicking contacts here at the top, go into search contacts, and then just view all contacts. Now once you see them in here, you could just pick a random winner from the list, and you can even do it all at once. Okay, so you pick a name, you set it up on an autoresponder, and so it just goes out automatically for the next week, and the winners are already chosen. And what you put in the email copy is the most important part. So let's go ahead and take a look at what the messages should say when they go out. So let me head over to messages. I've already created 2 of them just to make things faster here. Let's see, manage autoresponders. If you're creating, when you go to set this up, if you're not familiar with GetResponse, you'll go to create autoresponder and you'll set your autoresponders up that way. I've already created 2 of them. For some reason, this image of this woman right here is showing up. It's not actually in the email. I don't know why, and I can't get it to refresh and go away. But so you'll see how we set this up is on day 0 you'll have a welcome email. On day 1 through 5, so you'll have 6 emails altogether. Day 1 through 5 will be the same email over and over with a different product and a different winner. Okay, so first let's take a look at the welcome email. So let me go to edit message, and you can see the message name. This is just for you. But the subject is your email subject line. So it says welcome to the free giveaway. So let's go to next. And then I just have the logo of my site up here, and then welcome to the free giveaway event. And it says you are receiving this email because you entered in to be part of the Citizen X Apparel giveaway event. So this is just the disclaimer letting them know they can unsubscribe if they want to. Then it says good day, hope you are having a great day. So you can write whatever you want in here. You don't have to do this word for word, but this is just to give you an idea of what I do, and I might type this up differently each time. And so the words that you see here are not as important as just the general concept, okay? And I'll give you guys this email template, both of them, for the giveaway event and the welcome email in the resources below this video. But so pretty much it just says we want to take a quick moment and say thank you. Then it says each day it sets them up to let them know what to expect. So they'll be looking for an email that says Citizen X Apparel, today's winner is. So that will be the subject. And then I actually think I need to, if I didn't do it already, let me copy that just in case for the next email I show you. Make sure you look for and open that because the winner could be you as a special bonus. So this email is pretty important. As a special bonus for becoming our adored subscriber, we are going to do something even more exciting during this free giveaway event. And it basically tells them each day you're going to let them have the item if they don't win it at the cost of just paying shipping and handling. So that sets them up to know, okay, every day, I could be a winner for this free item, but if I don't win, I'll also get a good discount and get it for free, just paying the cost of shipping and handling. And then down here is a CPA offer at the bottom of this. Okay, now this is optional. You can leave this out or you can add them in. Now these can also be an affiliate product from ClickBank or whatever. Since this is a shopping site, I used a shopping CPA offer for a free gift card, and right now it might look a little confusing because I haven't showed you the pop-up. I'm kind of doing this in reverse right now by showing you the autoresponder sequence, but we'll get into the pop-up here and how to set it up. Now on the thank you page of the pop-up, after they subscribe, they get taken to a page that pretty much just says thank you for subscribing, and then it offers them this free Home Shopping Network gift card. Okay, so that's why I'm adding it in here, and I'll have this in every single email they get. So it's just another way to capitalize on these customers or visitors that didn't buy anything from you and potentially make your money back on advertising or some extra money. Okay, so I have it'll be the main offer. This is the welcome email, and then I always have this CPA offer affiliate product at the bottom. So the next email that goes out, or the rest of the emails, okay, this is the welcome email. It sets them up for what to expect. Now let me go back to manage so we can view the next one. So now on day 1 through 5, now you can do as long of a giveaway event as you want. If you want to set up 14 days worth of autoresponders, by all means go ahead. I like to do just 5 days because then I can 5 days seems to be enough. If they're not buying from you after five days of getting an email every day, then they're probably just never going to. But there's lots of people who like to draw them out longer, so that's just up to you, whatever you want to do. Everyone will get different results. So now on day 1, they get an email that says, this is what I copied that for because I remembered I probably set that up wrong. So it's supposed to say today's winner is, okay, this is what we told them to expect. So let me hit save on that, and then we hit next. And so this email, the logo again, so they know who it is, you're branding your business. And then the same disclaimer at the top. And then good day, hope you're having a great day. This will be short. We are announcing a winner for a new pair of fashion cat eye sunglasses. Okay, so you're picking products off of your site, or you're finding products, well, you're finding 5 new products or as many products as you want to test out for these free plus shipping offers on AliExpress or eBay, however you find them. You need to add them to your site, obviously, so people can buy them. So once you add them to your site, you pick 5 of them, and this is how and then you set up your email series, okay? And you just put the name of the product right here, and then you go to your subscribers list and you pick a winner. Okay, now when you first set this up, you might not have any subscribers, obviously, so you can just leave that template blank because people are going to be signing up first and they get the welcome email, so that gives you a day gap. So if you get 5 or 10 subscribers on the first day, or even 3 subscribers on the first day if it starts out slow for you, you can go grab those names and edit these autoresponders and put those names in there, okay? And then it'll be set from there. Now, each week you can switch out the names, edit the autoresponders, and pick new winners, so it just rotates. So every new group of subscribers gets a new winner, okay? Now, so basically this is the email. You announce the winner, then it says there will be another drawing tomorrow. Don't miss this email from us for the winner, okay? And then under here, it says didn't win, because if you have a list of 100 people, only one of them is going to win. 99 people are not going to win, right? So these 99 people are going to read this, and they're going to know if they didn't win, they can, and they don't want to risk not getting a pair of these sunglasses. So they like the item that's being given away. They can get it for just the cost of shipping and handling by clicking here. Now this leads to this page. It leads to the product page so they can buy. Okay, so there's 2 links, one right here, and then it just reminds them, puts a little bit of demand and scarcity on there, supplies are limited, not many are left, and then click here. So the link 2 times. And then again, P.S. Did you miss out on your free gift card? So we throw the CPA offer in there at the bottom. So they can click there and it goes to that CPA offer. Alright, now this is the or the pop-up that gets them to sign up. So let me go and show you how to set that up. Okay, so you're going to install an app called Privy. Okay, so you go visit the App Store and you can type in Privy. That's right there. I already installed it, but it's free. Okay, I think they have different pricing structures. I'm not really sure, to be honest, but this one is free, and this allows you to have those pop-ups on your site. So you just click get, it'll install it on your site, and then you set up your first campaign. So you go to campaign over here, you click create campaign, and then you'll have these options that you see here. So you'll start with the form. So just have your first name, last name, and email. Validations, limit 1 sign up per email. Okay. Email sync. This is where you link your GetResponse account. So you click on GetResponse, and let me put in my credentials real quick. Okay, so let's grab the API key. Now let me get out of here somehow. Let's see. They always change this, making it look different every time. Alright, so let's see. Account details. It's either that or integrations. Excuse me. Okay, API key. Alright, so here's the API key right here. Just copy that and paste your API key. Link account. There we go. Now it's linked. So now I can go back to campaigns. Okay. Go back to your campaign that you're creating. So you'll have your form. Oops, it says not syncing email. So once that's linked, you come back over here and you check on your GetResponse campaign or list, and then you select your campaign down here. So this one, we have 2 lists, remember, one's for customers, one's for giveaways, so we want to make sure it's the giveaway list, and we don't want to do a double opt-in, and then hit save changes. Okay, so now that's all linked up, and then you'll move on over to design. Now this is where, number 1, where it says pop-up, this is where you design your pop-up. So this is what the pop-up looks like. It's a giveaway. You can put whatever image you want. I just went to Google Images, grabbed this, and then so you have enter to win a free product every day. And then you have a couple images. You can have as many as you want. Just make sure it fits on the pop-up window. So if you need to edit the size of this pop-up window, you just click on it anywhere on the white part, and then you can adjust the width to however big you need it to be, right? And then same with the height, and you can edit the border colors, the overlay color. You can make it do that. I kind of like that a little better. Let me make it a little darker. So I'll grab their attention more, and then I'll hit Save Changes. So basically, all you do is put some items there, and then I just put a new winner chosen daily. We even cover shipping and handling, making it 100% free. You have your first name, last name box, and then enter the giveaway. You click on this button and you change the text. Okay, and this no thanks is right there, and all these are draggable. You can move these around. So this is what the pop-up looks like. Alright, so then pop-up triggers. This is the important part here. You have it set as an exit intent. Okay, so these might be checked at first. You want to uncheck those and just have show on exit intent, trigger automatically at most. Just keep it on no limit. We want these people to see this as many times as they're refreshing the page. Hit Save Changes. Audience targeting, you don't have to worry about that. Now the thank you page, click on it to make a thank you page, and again it's all editable, so you can make it bigger, smaller, and you can change everything here. So let's go and change that opacity back to that. Alright, so this confetti stuff will flow down once they register, and I just have thanks. While you wait to win, enjoy a free gift card from our partners at the Home Shopping Network. So this is my CPA offer. Now, I got this from the PeerFly Network. You can do an offer from ClickBank. You can do whatever CPA program you're signed up with. If you're not signed up with any of them, try PeerFly. They seem to be the easiest one to join. Basically, there's all kinds of affiliate offers out there. So just search around for programs on affiliate offers if you want to do this as a bonus when they're signing up to your list. Okay, so this is just a way to make extra money. And this is a link right here where it says click here to activate. So this is the image. I put an image in here from PeerFly. They gave me this image, and then I put a button on here by clicking. Where is it at? Let's edit background. Let me go back. You click Add Element, and I selected a button, and it puts it right here. And I changed the text to say click here to activate. And then I made the link my tracking URL. So if they click on that, let me open up a new tab here. It will take them to this CPA offer page where they enter their email address, and I make it's like $1 or $2. Okay, so that's all you gotta do. Then you hit Save Changes. I don't need to do that since I already saved everything. And then under behavior, you just have that ongoing. You don't need to do anything with in-store redemption. And the rest of these autoresponder emails you can ignore. This is for the paid version of this, but we are using our own autoresponder, which is GetResponse. Same with the notifications. So once you're done, it's all set up, and then that's when the pop-up triggers. Again, one more time, I'll show you. When the customer goes to leave the page, there you go. So now you can see it dims the screen so the pop-up stands out more. And that's all there is to it. So they opt into your list, which is we already set up under the messages. They start getting your autoresponders, and they start taking your free plus shipping offers and possibly your CPA offers if you add that in there. So that's how we monetize the back end of our campaigns with Bing. Okay, so this way you have the people who come to your site and they buy the first time, and then you have the people who go to leave, but they also want items for free, or they're interested, they just don't want to pay today, or whatever the reason is, and they sign up to your list and they get hit with promotion offers for the next week. Okay, so that's how we do that. There's one more video left, and that's exactly how we make extra profits on the back ends to grow the business even more.